Greetings. I'm Lucinda Schursing, and I'd like to share with you the many benefits of becoming a founder in OnPassive. Now, you're probably asking yourself, why should I consider becoming a founder in OnPassive, and what's its scope? We see further because we are standing on the shoulders of giants. Tech giants such as Google, Amazon, Facebook, TechSmith, GoToWebinar, LinkedIn, Skype. OnPassive is set to join them. If you need it, OnPassive will either have it, or if the requests are great enough, we'll create it. We are a product-driven and value-delivering service that provides viable and practical tools. Our mission is to provide the best and most useful tools for any business to achieve success. The advantages to being a founder is that you get access to an exclusive founder's website. Your teams are built for you. Early access. Being a member of the inner circle means you will be able to beta test, brainstorm, and give feedback, plus so much more. OnPassive will do your advertising, selling, and recruiting with presentation pages, webinar pages, funnels, and email campaigns. The entire campaign is 100% hands-free and done for your business. AI will build and promote your business so you can run your business. Nothing like OnPassive has ever been seen before. That is because it is being built from the ground up. If at any time you decide that this just isn't for you, there is a 100% lifetime money-back guarantee. No time limit. Not 30 days, not 90 days, but a lifetime. I wish you much success and look forward to seeing you on the inside.